slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, everybody. Welcome. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and thank you for joining me tonight here on the MyFundedFutures TV here for the Asia markets. Thank you for the MyFundedFutures for allowing me this. Welcome, Denny. Welcome, all of you. Just to give you guys a little, those of you who are new, I've been trading now, come this August 1st, 44 years. That's right, 44 years. My specialty is day trading, index futures, commodity futures, stocks, ETFs. I've traded nearly 2 billion shares in my life, and I love it. Pretty much when I trade all day long, I do a lot of pattern trading and scalp trading. So that's what we're here tonight. We're going to be looking at the 5 types of futures: oil, gold, silver, S&Ps, and NASDAQ. So that's what we'll be looking at here. All right. Both the NASDAQ and S&P futures are bullish on the, let me just see there. Let's see. S&Ps are bullish here. Gold got absolutely cabooshed here today. What's up, Mikey Jacques? Get in there, Mikey Jacques. Get in there. Yes, sir. Let's go, Mikey Jacques. Wow. Unbelievable. Let's go, team. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Let me just see something here. All right. All right. Hope everybody had a great night here. Hello, everybody. Mr. Freeze is in the house. Hopefully, I'll see him soon. He tells me he's on his way here. Beautiful long on the NASDAQ, correct? You got to buy divergence on the NASDAQ. So if you look here on the NQ here, let me just put this to gold futures here. You can see. How did everybody do today? Look at this is oil. Oh, this is geo. What am I doing here? Oh, that's crude futures. I got to switch this back here. Of course, some really great shorts here in crude here. Where's the gold futures? Where's the NASDAQ futures? Right here. So if you look at the NASDAQ futures, you can see you're pushed down to new lows here. Okay, but the MACDs did not confirm. Okay, MACD did not confirm here. All right. ADXs are rising. What's the 30-minute? All right. 60 is still bullish. All right. Well, it looks like gold and silver are going right back down again. Can you believe gold traded 4,600 last night? Hey, Richard. How are you, Richard, my good brother? Hope everybody had a great weekend. Please, those of you who are new, please. Hey, Miss K, D-Jan, what's up? VWAP, what's going on? Papa Pel, Pilong, what's going on? Vanessa, Bacino. Oh, my God, love that name. Vanessa is a sauce of gravy. It's sauce, right? All right. Hello, everybody. Hey, Stephen, to all of you. How are you? Good morning. Son of Wall Street. What's going on? Hey, Dimitri from Greece. Could you work for Forex? That's a lot. Thanks a lot. Which indicators am I using? If I tell you, I have to kill you. No, I'm just kidding. I'll go over in a second. Schultze from Down Under. James Robertson. What's up, everybody? Joe Lombardo, my third baseman, is here tonight. All right. Kim Capital. What's up, Izzy? What's going on, everybody? Alexandro. Anybody new here? Anybody new? Put a 1. What's up, Gabriel? Que pasa? What's up, everybody? All right. And they're off at Belmont. All right. There you go. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here. I don't use, these are not candles, Algo Funded. These are bar data. I don't look at candles, okay? I do not look at candles. Mario, what's going on? There goes the gold. Right back up on the gold. Down 51 on the day here. What's up, K3? What's up, everybody? If you're new, Super Dude here. If you're new, put a 1. Let's go. All right. Oof. Let's see. That was a nice long S&P. Gold just rallied 13. S&P's just rallied off the low about 9. All right. Still would wait for a little higher up here. On this gold, if this gold gets up to the probably 05.5 to 13.5, 14.5, I look to take a scalp short here. Double red short here. Really great patterns today. A lot of great patterns along the way here. This NASDAQ gets up to the 32 to probably 32 to 62 range. You get the ADX is rising here. I'd be looking for shorts. Okay. Gold already just dropped 3. All right. You use candles, so you celebrate. Great. Unbelievable. Beautiful. If you love candles, blow them out. All right. All right. Listen, I don't judge anybody. You do what you want. You like candles, love candles. Okay. I've been using bar data my whole life. Okay. You based on EMAs? No. I have a proprietary methodology that I spent nearly 10 years of my life building. This ain't no birthday party. Welcome to the party, pal. Anybody remember what that's from? Anybody? Oh, wow. Been wearing my glasses a lot. Can't even talk. Volatility. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Anybody get that short? I'm decandling starting used bar data. There you go, Mikey Shop. Die Hard. Exactly. Welcome to the party, pal. I love it. Hello. Hello, Marzina. How are you, Marzina? Iceman. What's going on? Steven, what's going on? What's up, Steven? Steven's my go-to guy. When I'm driving on a Saturday or a Friday night or a Sunday, he gives me the updates. What's up, Baba? My Arton is in the house. That's right. I call Steven. I'm like, Steven, what's going on? Oh, this is happening. Blah, blah, blah. They're blowing up this. They're blowing up that. They're doing this. Yes, the scalp trade DL. Cover this S&P gold here below the 03.5, 06.5. Hey, P Juice, I can't even say his name. A pattern trade. Let me show you. Okay, I'm going to show you a difference here. Here's a pattern trade. Let me just teach you. See this bear flag? That's a pattern trade right there. Okay, here AMD. This is another one here. This is a okay, so we got a everything reversed to buy here. You see this here? And then you see this pullback right here. You see this pullback right here. Can anybody see my screen? Okay. Okay. If you see here, okay, you got to be really careful. You see the 30-minute, then look at the 15-minute time frame. This is a pattern. Okay, look at this monster bull flag here on AMD at 12:30. You got the pullback, oversold, positive MACDs on the 15, okay, 30, 60, and you got the ADX is rising, good buying pressure. This was a great long here below 217, and you count the bars up to 8 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. There it is. Boom. Roughly $3. Maybe a little more, 3.5. Okay. That's a pattern. Okay. IBKR. Greg, if you want, I can hook you up with MyFundedFutures is coming out with a brokerage account. Brokers. Okay. MyFundedFutures is going to be a broker very soon. So I'm just letting you know. What's going on with your ear? Hey, what's the matter with you? Stop acting like a nut. Give me that. Okay. Yes, sir. So MyFundedFutures, NASDAQ, I don't know if you got 32s off. If you did, you're going to get kabooshed. Okay. Yeah, but they're not out yet. If you need somebody, Greg, let's see. If you need somebody, you could look at Optimus. Okay. I know the owner there pretty well. But again, if you need somebody, just let me know. All right. So GF Consultant, how are you? It's Jeff Fee. Okay, good. Nice to meet you. Oh. Yep. Yeah, so that's a pattern. I'll show you another great pattern here. You want to see this is a pattern. When the GLDs are pushing down, okay, today, and you're making new lows here, and the MACDs are non-confirming here. You see this here? Hey, Patrick. Yeah, I see it. If you didn't cover down there, and I would be shorting it up here. You got a double red short here on the gold. Okay, you see here the push down here, right here. Okay, you see this here? See this? You're making new lows. These MACDs are non-confirming here. Okay, that's what I would be looking at right there. Boom. See that? That's a positive divergence here in a positive trend. So you're pushing down. The MACDs are non-confirming. You see that? Okay. If you're scalping the gold, it just dropped 5. Okay. Hey, Lucky Mom, how are you? Anybody new here? Oatmeals? Okay. Here goes the gold dropping. Silver, S&Ps. All right. So here, if you see this here. Oh, okay. Thank you, Nerva. All right. And again, if you see something like this, again, this is why it's important when you're using trading index futures during the day, you need to look at the underlying ETFs. How they're looking? Well, they're kind of bullish here, believe it or not. But the MACDs are negative big time here. So I'm going to see. All right. S&Ps, wow, NASDAQ, I would just cover below 30 if you shorted them. Okay. Silver's got this silver is going to turn up tomorrow. Look at this. Big, beautiful bull flag here. Oil, let's look at oil. We'll see what oil's doing here. Oil is a short. I mean, but this is a long. Oil 15, 30, bullish. Oil's going to keep going. Let's see here. 60, oil. Well, oil just reversed to buy on the 60. So the strategy is you buy the first pullback on the 5. That oil was right here. What time was this oil? Oil's in a bullish trend here. Got to be really careful. I'm bullish on oil here. Yeah. You could short this gold again here, 17 up to the 27 level. I still think you can scalp short the oil here, 91.50 to 92.30. All right. I think this gold's going to drop once these 15s get overbought. Trump is speaking tonight? No, tomorrow morning. All right, gold's dropping. Let's see if this gold can drop. And again, like I said, I think that these right now you got negative MACDs here up the yin yang here. This gold's dropping again here. This oil missed 46. 10 wide on the Nasdaq. Yeah, you got to go 10 wide. You can't be trading Nasdaq. I met someone who was trading every 2 points on Nasdaq. I mean, what are you, crazy? Gold just dropped 6. Good job, Patrick. Great job, Patrick. Great job. Right? The 5s are going to roll over here. You cannot trade. You have to know the environment that you're in, especially when you have volatility. Sometimes I'll do a 5-handle range, right? When I'm trading a stock like AMD, right, I'm doing like every 25, 30 cents up. Look at this gold drop. This gold is going to get killed. Mario, Get in there, Arton. Oh yeah, baby. S&Ps, NASDAQ, right? So when you have an index, you got a monster bear flag on the NASDAQ here, okay, and the S&P. When you have a volatility, you like the Qs, for example, right? I don't trade the NASDAQ. I trade the S&P futures, right? So, Melina, what's going on, Melina? Where's Carlos been? Carlo been, okay? So, look at this gold. There you go. There you go. Patrick, great job, Patrick. There you go. There you go. Get in there. Where's Jennifer? Melina, where have you been? I don't see you in the Discord much. How are the kids? Good? Okay. All right. Now, when you're trading the NASDAQ, right, S&Ps just got cabooshed. NASDAQ going to get cabooshed. So now, okay, Jennifer, there you are. All right. Where's Carlo been? So now you got the, look at this gold, Patrick. That's a double red short, Patrick. You see that? Mario, where's Mario? There's no way you blew an account. There's no way. There's no way. Gotcha. No. What are you doing? Like 50 contracts at one price? You guys have to learn how to scale into a trade. Iceman, you're short of, oh, wait, where were you at 15? Come on, Iceman, you got to scale up, brother. Moroccan, what's going on? So I'll tell you, literally, when I trade the gold, right, I go like probably every blue up to two. Like there's, what are you trading? The big ones? I don't know. Come on. Why are you shorting at 08? Let's go. Iceman, get in there. All right. So when I trade the gold, I do probably in volatility like this, I probably do like every $2.5, $3, right? And during the day, it depends on the volatility. Maybe I'll go 3 to 4. Maybe, it depends. Sometimes crazy volatility, I go every 4.5, 5. No. Gotcha. Oh my God. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. All right, if this gold gets up to the 18 and 18.5 to 27.5, I look to short it. S&P along here? No, cool trade. I'm looking to short them higher. Supply zone 45.50. Wow. It gets there, it'll be a gift from God. I'll be shorting them overnight. Crude, if you short this crude 91.5, just look to cover below 35 here. Iceman, what are you doing shorting it down there? Come on, Baba. Come on. This gold's so erratic at times. Good job, Aaron Michael. Who's this? Fabian McIntyre? Okay. Oh, I would just stay shorted. I would just keep stopped out on what? What do you stopped out on? The range is 18.5 to 27.5. Marty, you guys don't know how to trade. If you guys don't know how to scale in, you have to learn how to scale in. You guys can't be trading gold, an animal like this, and putting a $2 stop in. Just in my opinion, you can't do it. I think it's crazy. I just think it's complete. Look to cover this gold anywhere from the 15.5 to 20.5 range. I think you guys don't know what you're doing. You guys don't have to learn. I mean, okay, no, I know. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying in general, you can't be, you can do whatever you want, but just give it a chance, right? Give it a chance here, give it a chance. Gold can go to 45.64. I'll be there. Come on, Iceman. Right? Come on, Iceman. These 15-minute time frames was going to start. Again, if you want to scalp it, okay? This crude was a nice short. Nice pullback here on the crude. Boom. Oh boy. Well, this gold's so freaking crazy. Got to use like a 32.5 stop on the gold. And if it drops here 18.5 to like 23.5, 24, look to cover. Look at this oil drop. S&P, look at this. News just came out. Look at this. Look at these S&Ps and NASDAQ. This is what I'm saying. It's criminal. It's criminal what they just come out and. Okay, it's criminal. Look at this, Arton, what these people do. So you got the 30 and 60-minute time frames pushing up. Okay, you can see here on the S&Ps on the 30 and 60, right here, 30 and 60 here. Okay, let's just see. See the 30s and 60s, but you got these negative MACDs here. So let's just see. Gold just came. I started the night here. Gold was trading 44.90 when I walked in. This thing should start dropping. All right, here you go. I cover 18.5 to 24.5 range, somewhere in here. If it drops, you're $18 above the 10 bar. 5-minute time frame, reverse to buy. What time is a raffle? No time. You're exhausted. I'm exhausted. Well, okay. If you stopped out on the gold at 32.5, I'd short it again. I'd short it again here at the 15s. Yeah, 31.5 up to like probably 39.5. Keep it tight. This gold's $22 above the 10 bar. Now it's going to drop. Now it's going to drop. I should have said 33 and 33. Just drop 4. This thing's going to drop. Look at this NASDAQ just ran 50 like nothing. Trump speaking? Of course. Gold just dropped $6. Oh my God. Well, let's see what silver is doing. Oh my God, silver. Gold just dropped 7. I should have raised the stop to 33. 32.80 was the high. Look at this. Look at this thing drop, this piece of garbage. If you were able to short it again, I would just look to cover it. He doesn't sleep. He doesn't sleep. Are you short or are you flat?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yep.
I would not, me personally, I would not have covered it, but this thing's going to drop to like 19. Is S&P long here? No, I'm looking to short it. You're getting overbought into the negative MACDs here. The 60-minute MACD is negative. The 30-minute MACD is negative. No, this goal is going to go to 18. Watch. Look at this gold. You made your 2K back? Oh, my God. Papa Trump's talking again. All right, look at this gold. Anybody short the oil before here on the oil? Oh, my God. I knew this oil was a short above 91.50. What are you shorting, S&Ps or Nasdaq or gold? What are you trading, gold? JD?
Talking to me?
Yeah.
I've got gold, crude.
You short the crude still?
No, I'm out.
Oh, good. That was a big one. Tina, be careful. Just trade them. You know, it's funny, right? Who in God's creation are they negotiating with? Everybody's dead. Who are they negotiating with? I don't get it. I really don't. I agree with you. I think it's so wrong. I'm telling you. I'm a big Papa Trump lover, man, but this is just ridiculous. You know? No, it's not that it makes no sense. Look at this gold. Look at this gold, 22. Spuda, good job. Good job, Mr. Mike. Molina, get in there, Molina. Look at these S&P's new highs. He's talking. He wants the market to go up, up, and away. You know what? I say you could scalp short the NASDAQ 85 to 15, S&P's 42 to 50. Okay? Exactly. Who the hell are we talking to? They killed everybody, supposedly, right? They whacked them. I was talking to someone today, I'm not going to mention the person's name, who's from Iran, and they want that other gentleman that was exiled, but he's not even in the country. So who's negotiating with who? You got to go wide, even here. And this is a scalp, right? Look at the NASDAQ straight up since we started. NASDAQ went from 32 to 90. I still think they're going to get kabooshed. But whatever. S&P short range, 42 to 50. Or you can go 43 to 51 DL. Anything in the dollar yen? This was the best trade so far right here. Dollar yen, USD JPY, USD JPY. Oh, what a short. 60-minute. Oh, 60-minute bull flag. So if you got a 60-minute bull flag on the dollar yen, you're gonna get a bear flag on gold. I'm telling you right now, right? Look at this S&Ps. Look at this Papa Trump. Look at this bull flag on the 30-minute. Look at this. All right, let's play, baby. Let's play. It's a clown show, JT. He's right. JT's 100% right. It's a freaking clown show. Right? Look at that bull flag. Wait, look at this bull flag on the hourly. Oh, my God. I'm not saying it may have a little more work, but this 60 completes here at 9 o'clock. This is some bull flag right here on the dollar yen. Boom. Look at this. Boom. I mean, just ran like, 7 pips, 6 pips, but I should trade this thing like an animal, standard lots, 20, 30, 40, 50 million at a time. This dollar yen could get to 160. You're right. I'm telling you. All right, let's see S&P, NASDAQ. Look to cover NASDAQ between the 75 and 90 range, or 70 and 90. S&Ps probably 37 to 44. This, oh, dollar yen just ripped. Is that right? To 49? Woo! Is that right? Just now on the 5-minute. Oh my God, dollar yen just ripped. What the heck was that? Wow. I used to trade these currencies, man. Big time. You were short the yen just now, Iceman? Oh, weather was beautiful, man. 86 degrees. Never. I never felt like giving up trading. I felt like giving up on humanity, but I never felt like giving up on trading. This is my no way. How do you find the scalp ranges? Well, it's a combination of looking from the distance from the 10 bar, the overbought conditions, the overall pattern, right? I don't know. It's a combination of things. The only one I don't trade, I trade oil. I don't trade now. I trade the Qs. I trade the spiders, S&P, and I trade the GLD and silver. So I do those 5. Oh yeah, DL, absolutely. Pound dollar was my favorite. I used to trade pound dollar probably anywhere between 20 and 50 million dollars at a time. Pound US dollar. Euro dollar, probably anywhere between 30 and 60 million. Dollar yen, easy 25 to 40 million dollar yen.
It doesn't matter.
There you go. All right. It doesn't matter, right? I got a couple good ones. Aaron's working on about 5 good ones coming up. 6 or 7 good ones. Hopefully I'll have them in here. So many great movie clips to choose from. Exactly. You like the dollar Swiss? Let me look. All right. Dollar Swiss. USD CHF. Let's see. What the hell? Come on. There's no way. This thing, forget it. No way. You want to see something big? GBP USD. This is the animals right here. GBP USD. Here you go. This is an animal. This pound dollar. Oof. This pound US dollar is an animal. All right. So the 5-minute time frames reverse to buy. 15s are getting overbought. 30s are still turning up. You want to see if you get some type of a drop. Maybe take a scalp long. Fair value gap. I would like to see like it go down to 405. Ooh, that's 18 from here. That's a big one there, Joshua. Okay. Short gold? No. Hey, sir from Thailand. So here, like, let's say you sold, just give you an example, 36. What's the high here? 67. You make 5 pips. You make 5 pips on 10 million. Not bad. Right here. Right? I used to do 5 and 10 million clips at a time on pound dollar. Maybe I go with 3 million, 5 million, and then another 5, maybe 7 to 10 on the second leg. Those days are over. I'm not doing that no more. I used to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning, take a shower, drive to my office, make a pot of coffee, and sit in my chair at 10 to 3 and wait for the market to open. Those days are over. OVA. You can cover this now S&Ps 40 and a half to 42 and a half. NASDAQ, anywhere between the 75 and 90 range. Yeah, those days are over. OVA, over. Yes, sir. There goes the S&P's dropping. Here comes the NASDAQ dropping. JD, you're short. Got to be careful because the 15s are going to roll, but you may have one more push up on this bull flag. Biggest trade I ever did, I made north of about $1.4 million in the currency markets. Million 250, $1.3 million, something like that. See, JD, I told you right back up, right?
Yep.
Hope you caught the short. That's it. Got right down. See the MACD's positive on all right there, the threes. Boom. No, I don't trade the euro dollar futures. You know it's a great instrument to trade that I traded was the euros. I never really traded the DAX, right? But I traded the Euro Stocks 50 futures. Woof. Woof. NASDAQ's not bullish. I'm going to tell you right now. You got bear flags setting up on the 15 and 30-minute time frames. So I don't know where you think NASDAQ is bullish. See the 30s here? Especially the negative MACD on the 60. If these 30s roll down, look out below on the NASDAQ. You see that? Never traded lumber. No. Oh, this is, if you want to talk about a crazy currency, this one right here, the pound yen. Oof. This thing is insane. This pound yen, insane, Iceman. I never traded the German DAX. I think I was going to do, no, I went to the Euro Stocks 50 futures. I traded those at like in the wee hours. Let's see here. If the NASDAQ gets above, let's see here, 24,405 to like 35, I would take a short. The DAX, nah. Good morning. Hey, AD. AD's from Japan. What's up, AD? Get in there. The dragon. Oh, yeah, this pound yen. So look at this bull flag on the pound yen here. And off the 60-minute, I would not be short this pound yen. Pound yen, you're talking insane. When I was trading the pound yen, it was trading like 275, 285. Hey, great job, Mash, NYC. I still think they're going to get cabooshed. This gold's going to get killed. These 15-minute time frames on gold is going to get killed. You see these 15s? You got bear flags up the yin yang here. Oh, the pound yen is great, man. But you got to find a broker where your spreads are tight. I'm not paying 7 pip wide spread on the pound yen. What are you, freaking crazy? Me? No way. I used to scream at brokers and tell me they better give me like not even a quarter of a spread on the dollar, on the euro dollar. They said, well, you're coming in with, 10 to 20 million, we gonna need a spread. I'm like, you ain't getting a spread off me, dude. You got the wrong guy. right? This gold's going to, look at this gold. You may get one more push up on the gold, but I think ultimately this gold on the 15 is going to roll over. That pound yen, euro yen. The one currency I didn't like trading was the Aussie dollar. It just never moved. Never really moved. Captain Crunch, what is the minimum you should look at? Most say 1 hour as key level, but no talks about 30 minutes. I never look at a 1 minute. I'll be in Bellevue if I looked at a 1 minute. Can you imagine looking at a 1 minute chart in the S&P and every name here? Are you kidding me? I'll be in a coma. No way is that happening. No way. Take note, T Marvel. Well, 15-second charts. Ha! That ain't me. I'm not. Don't put me in that category. Didn't gold reverse to buy in the 30-minute? Steven, are you kidding me? Come on, Baba. We had a reverse to buy. Sell. Come on. You're killing me. No. I got positions.
I'm flat.
All right, good. See? JD's in the house. That's it. What do I have on? You mean cologne? I don't wear cologne. What do I have on? What do you mean? My shirt? I got my shirt, my glasses. Johnny, what do you mean? What do I have on? Yeah, let's go, VWAP. Renko. Hey, Gervex is in the house. Is there a fund where you only trade one pair, or is that not? I don't even know what the question means. What do you mean? Is there a fund? See the Renko chart? What the hell's a Renko chart? Oh, Gervex, don't start, please. I got a soft spot for Gervex, but all right, this gold might get one more push up here, Josh. Be careful. You got like a low with the positive MACDs here. You may get one more push up to set up the short on the 30. Very slow here. Are they making trading 24/7? I don't know. They should. You know what I can't stand? Too many nonsense people in the game, right? So let's just say you're trading options, right? Okay, which I don't do. But let's say you're trading options, and let's say you bought a ton of, okay, I'm making up NVIDIA, since the whole world knows about NVIDIA, right? What do you think about S&Ps? I think they're going to roll over on the 15s and 30s. And imagine you're long, let's say you stocks 180 and you bought the 190 calls right into earnings. You roll the dice, right? Not something I would do, right? But let's just say you roll the dice, okay? And then boom, stocks 210. You can't you can't trade options after whatever, right? And I'm telling Papa Trump, oh my God, Papa Bush, it's time for a vacation. Okay. And let's just say you want to sell these options. I understand, Pedro. Pedro, this game is too good, Pedro. I can't believe I said Papa Bush. Oh my God. My brain. Look at the S&Ps and NASDAQ dropping. All right. I'd be flat anything there. So imagine. No, cool trader, not a short here now. You had the range 42 to 50. DL, I'd be covering shorts here. Rick Francis, how are you? Yeah, be careful, Greg, with Ninja. You got to subscribe. I think got to pay a one-time fee. Greg, you got to be really careful, brother. I told you Gold's going to get one more push, right?
Yep.
See that? Josh, I told you you're going to get one more push up. I can't believe I said Papa Bush. I named them Papa Trump. Cool trader, I don't think so, brother. I think you got a bull flag setting up on the S&P. I think you're going to get one more push up, and then that next push up, I think the 30-minute time frames will get set up. Okay? All right, I hope you guys got 20 minutes to sign up for the raffle tonight. We're not doing the raffle unless there's 500 or more. Right? Exactly, Lauren. Right? How can you trade stocks 24 hours, but the underlying option doesn't trade with it? It's bull. These people have no idea. Put me in charge of the SEC. Put me in charge of the Federal Reserve, and I'll pay off the deficit in 2 years. Trust me. Me, Arton, Jeff, Pac-Man, Hitman, Iceman. I'll have the whole team trading 24/7. I'll pay off that deficit. I'll get the phone, boom. I need a tweet, boom. I need another tweet, boom. I need another tweet, boom. That's it. Over. You don't think these guys do that now? Here, Keith McCullough, the guy that I almost went to blows with. Okay? Here's what my friend texted me. Where is it? I'm on the phone. The plunge protection team. Okay? You ever hear of those guys? They're at its, I'm not going to tell you where they are. I can't say it, but I know where they are. Okay? Here it is. Okay? The plunge protection team has battled it out with the market intervention. More than 112 trading sessions since the SPX recorded a decline of 2.5% or greater. So they step in anytime, okay? Anytime. What's that t-shirt? What's the t-shirt? Tweets on demand. I know. Red phone. Hey, listen, we're long 1.5 trillion S&Ps. Put it out. We're cutting interest rates a point or whatever. Alex, you gotta go to MyFundedFutures YouTube. Okay. I'm telling you. Oh, Jeff, we would have the deficit paid off. We'll have I say, give me 2 years. 2 years, I pay off the 36 trillion, and I put 5 trillion in. I put 4 to 5 trillion in the treasury. I swear to God. What? So when oil is 101, 100, you don't think these guys sold 300,000-400,000 oil futures? Are you crazy? What are you, nuts? This is the biggest game in town. I've been doing this so long. You got to think like these people, right? So if the S&Ps are down 2.5% and they came in every time when the S&Ps were down 2.5%, they came in 112 times. It's right here. So can you imagine? Can you imagine? What the hell was that? Are you okay? What happened? Look at that. Are you okay? He's a good boy. He's so lovable. Oh, I love you so much. Come to daddy. What happened? Come. You're my big Henny. Come to your father. Come to your daddy. Come. Hi, my boy. Hello, my boy. I love you so much. You're so good, my Henny. Oh, I saved your life, and I love you. You're so good, my Henny. I love you so much, my Henny. Think like a criminal, trade like a pro. That's a t-shirt. Whoa, Pac-Man. Mikey coming out, Mr. Mike coming out with a saying. I used to sell t-shirts out of my car. That's why I'm a big t-shirt. So you ever see ESPN 30 for 30 when they had the guy who made the t-shirt, right? Convicts versus Catholics versus convicts, right? You ever seen that? Well, we don't go there like that, but bull flag here. All right. You got a nice bull. If you want to take a scalp long on the NASDAQ, you can go maybe just like 60 to 80 here. Okay. S&P's anywhere from the 34 to 40, 35 to 40, just for looking. You ever see that 30 for 30? Catholics versus convicts? I mean, it's pretty hysterical, but I mean, it's whether you have a sense of humor or not. The guy got busted and blew his entire future. Okay. He was going to be playing at Notre Dame basketball team. He got booted. I mean, poor guy, man, right? He thought it was a joke, but all right. Again, this is only a scalp. If you want to take it, take it. I'm really think you get one more push up, and then I think they get kabooshed. S&Ps, DL, I'd be flat here. The mass hold t-shirt guy? No. Jeff, sign him up, Jeff. Get in there. Right? Get in there, Jeff. Oh, yeah. Gold caboose? Not yet. You got to wait for the 30-minute. Did I make good money? I bought a shirt for $5. I sold it for $8 back then. You make $3 back in the 90s. You thought you hit the Powerball. I mean, come on, right? There goes the gold right back up. All right. Tank tops. Alex, you have to create an account in MyFundedFutures to get. What's USD? No, come on. USD ZAR. What the hell is that? I'm not doing that. No way. If I only had a brain. All right. Ba-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. La 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 da 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 da. If I only had a brain. Can you check this stock? VCX? What are you kidding me? What's VCX? Market's closed, bro. What the hell is this? Bitcoin? What's this thing? What is this stock? Can I short this thing? What is this? Is this today? Oh my God. What a short. I hate SanDisk. I think SanDisk is fugazi. Okay? How in God's creation can you watch SanDisk? SNDK. I shorted this thing here. First of all, you want to see there goes the S&Ps and NASDAQ. I would just raise your stops. Just trade them. Look at the 15-minute time frame, right? So the stock pushes down. Look at this. Criminal. It opens at 669, trades down $31, rallies all the way back up. I short 83s here. I short the stock at 83. Look at the gold, new highs, Josh. Okay. All right. I short this gold 33 up to 42. All right. You see this here? What a bear flag. You're getting overbought. The price action, you're making new highs into a negative MACD, right? Into a negative MACD. So I short 83s. I missed the 87 print, and then boom. Look at this. Kabooshed. Right here. You see that? Kabooshed. to 54, 87 to 54. Then the 15-minute reverses to buy. You get a buy reversal, sell disconnect. Okay. And then I just started trading it from here and here. That's it. Over. Okay. This is a nice little bull flag. Again, you can just scalp the long here. It just traded up to 42, I think, right? It's the VIX. That's what that is. VCX. What is that? VC. What is the symbol? What the hell is this? Remember SMCI 1200? SMCI finished. This stock is just dead money. Just sell call options on this thing. Where is this gold going? Where's silver going, Jennifer? Oh, what a bull flag on silver. That's why I said I thought you're going to get one more push up there on the gold. Right? Silver, 71.69. Boom. Gold. See? That's why I said I thought you're going to get one more push up. Why is this happening? See, remember I told you I thought you get one more push up?
Yeah.
See the ADX rising, the positive MACD? 21. Boom. All right. Yeah, I went. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. S&P's getting kabooshed. Gold. Look to cover gold, 30.33s. That was such a short up there. You got the negative MACDs on the S&P on the 60-minute time frame. I mean, where are you going on the new high in the Asia session with the negative MACD on the 30 and on the 60? Where are you going? Right? I mean, where are you going here? Right? XRP will kaboom to 100. Bye-bye gold. Bye-bye. You short the gold?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Lower your stops. Look at that. That's why I said on the S&Ps I would raise your stops. Oh, my eyes. Jesus. What's this? When is that coming out? I heard the public can get into the IPO. Is that right? The public can get into the IPO? That's why I said this was a scalp long on the S. I'm so bearish, you have no idea. But good job on the short. Good job. How much? 75 billion, right? Is that it? 75 billion or 1.5 trillion. Oof. Okay. Gold's dropping. Bye-bye S&Ps and NASDAQ. What idiot paid 24,400 on the NASDAQ? Stupid is what stupid does. Do I trade coffee? I drink coffee. I don't trade coffee. I don't trade potatoes. No. What kind of questions are these? Do I trade coffee? No. Well, I'm sure gold back up to April to 5,000. I doubt it. I think gold goes to 4,000 before 5,000. They're not going to cut interest rates. You need an interest rate friendly environment. I can't do that when I'm going to get banned by YouTube. Trading Places best movie. I'm going to have some lines from. You ever see that when they're walking into the World Trade Center? That scene is hysterical. Sell, Mortimer. Sell. I told you. Why you? That movie is hysterical. Lean hogs, pork bellies, 10-year.
There goes the gold.
Whoa, gold. There you go. Good for you, Gervax. I got to tell you, I'm going to write down my movies. Ready? Let me do this. So first I got to go with Godfather 1 and 2, then Rocky. That's 3, right? All right. I definitely got to put Trading Places, Animal House, Blues Brothers, and Caddyshack in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 7. Okay. Then I got to put Kelly's Heroes in. That's 8. All right. Bye-bye, S&Ps. Bye-bye. Goodfellas. That could be a part. I'm going to put that over here. I kind of like Goodfellas, actually. Donnie Brasco was good. That's another one. Fred Claus. No, I'm only kidding. The Great Escape. There you go. That's 9. What else can I put in this one? Boiler Room, no. Aluminum, no. Look at that 15-minute time. So you see the push up into the negative MACDs? Casino, not a fan. Sharon Stone drove me crazy in that movie. I had nightmares over that one. Shawshank, good movie, but not in my top 10. Shawshank, no. No. Bronx Tale, put him in the bathroom. But Sonny, put him in the bathroom. Am I long gold? No. Gold's going to roll over. No. S&Ps just went from 46 to 31 off the 15. Godfather 1 and 2 got to be. The Irishman, no. If these S&Ps get down to the 24.31 NASDAQ, I would go 05 to 45. Could take a long here. Scalp long off the 5. What's the movie with I didn't forget Rocky. I said Rocky's number 3. Oh, Wall Street. That's right. 10. Gordon Gekko. How can I forget Gordon? Gladiator has got to be in the top 20, but not my top 10. Okay. NASDAQ, S&Ps just jumped here. Scarface in the top 20, but not in the top 10. My top 10 list is Godfather 1 and 2, Rocky, Trading Places, Animal House, Blues Brothers, Caddyshack. I can't read my own handwriting. The Great Escape, Wall Street. I can't read the last one. Kelly's Heroes. That's my top 10. Die Hard in the top 20. Welcome to the party, pal. Love that scene. Casablanca. How old do you think I am, Pedro? No. Going back up. And then you definitely got Gladiator, you got Scarface, you got Donnie Brasco, you got Goodfellas. You know, that's in my next 10 to 20. Back to School. Are you crazy? Rodney, the Triple Lindy. How about the other one he made? What's the other one he made? A Few Good Men. Colonel Jessup. Did you order the code red? You want answers? Then what's the other one by Rodney? Rambo. There you go. Now you're cooking. Rambo. What's the other one with Rodney Dangerfield when he oh Jesus. The Triple Lindy. Easy Money. Bread, I love you. There you go. I think I got my top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 2 more. 2 more. Lethal Weapon, The Deer Hunter. Yes, that's 9. That's 9. Wow, look at my list. I love this. The triple, I got Caddyshack in my top 10. You crazy? Ghostbusters, no. Heat, Easy Rider, Goodfellas, I got in my top 20. Back to School is definitely in my
Gold is kicking.
gold. Look at the S&Ps going. Right back up on the S&Ps. Gold, I short this 37 to 40. Rain Man, no. 37 to 47. Platoon, no. Hostile, that's only Gervex can come up. Hostile scared the heck out of me. You know that? Star Wars. Are you crazy with that movie, Hostile? That's it. You're on double secret probation. Are you crazy with that movie? I hate that movie. You know the movie I really can't stand? Jerry Maguire, good movie. That could be my top 10. You know what movie? Gold, if you're short, lower your stops here. You know what movie I really can't stand? Because as a father, okay, anybody can tell what movie? Anybody? Look at those S&Ps run 6. NASDAQ just ran 30. Oh, the Sting. That's a great one. I got to bump something. I'm going to bump Jerry Maguire for this thing. That's it. Oh, my God. Look at this. You short?
Yes.
Oh, good job. Okay. Oh, the good, the bad, the ugly. How can I? That's my podcast. Tuco. That's 11. I got to figure that one out. You know what movie I can't stand? Color Money? No. Oh, my God. S&Ps. Kaboom. Right into that positive MACD. Just ran 40 on the NASDAQ. My God. Dukes of Hazzard? No. No. You know what? Rocky is in my top 10. You know what movie I can't stand? Okay. S&Ps get up to the 39 to 46. I'd short it. NASDAQ 85 to 10. To 10. You know what movie I as a father, I couldn't even bear to watch it. Okay. Field of Dreams is great, but not in my top 10. Right? Sophie's Choice. For any person who's a father, okay, that movie with Meryl Streep, I had to turn the TV off. I had to turn the TV off. No way in hell. Okay, this gold is short again here. I go short here, 40.5 to 50.5. No way. Never seen it. You shouldn't want to watch it. Trust me. There it goes. There goes the gold. Everything's wonderful. There it goes. Pursuit of Happiness. Old Yeller. Danny, are you crazy? Put the beer cans away, Danny. No. Let's see here. And Sophie's Choice. Go Google it. And if you're a father, you would just forget you even looked at it. You want me to tell you what it's about really quickly? Pulp Fiction, none of my top 20. No. You guys want to know? Okay. Casino, no. All right, gold if you're short. Look the cover below 38. What's the one big one? Joe Black, no. Goodfellas is in there. Look at the gold drop. Look at the S&Ps drop. Lower your stops if you're short. How about this one? Ready for this one? Of Mice and Men. Radical Russ. Of Mice and Men. Look at this gold. Dude, you got to be up over 2 Gs. Let's go. Bronx Tale, I said. Out of Africa, too long, too boring. No, The Bridge Over the River Kwai. No, The Color of Money. So you want to know about Sophie's Choice? Okay. You guys want to know what that is? Silence of the Lamb is good, but not in my top 20. Pulp Fiction, Witness, Ronin, no. The Godfather is, oh, of course, 1 and 2. I could watch the. Look at this gold. Ghost. Are you kidding me, Ghostbusters? Patrick, I love you. What kind of movies am I talking about? Where have you been? All right, so Sophie's Choice is about a mother in a concentration camp, and she has to decide. She's asked by one of the generals or lieutenants in the German army, and she has both of her children in her hands, and she has to pick one that she can take with her, and she has to give up one of her children. And I actually, I think I took the TV and I threw it that day. That's when we had the TVs, the small little TVs back then. And I couldn't take it. I said, this is, if they did this in real life, this is, Forrest Gump's good, but not in my top 10 or 20. Let me see. Well, I might have to play, let me see. Forrest. Run, Forrest, run. Hunger Games, no. Gotti movie, no. 29th Street, never seen it. All right, if you short the S&Ps up there, they just got cabooshed. Beautiful. The 15s were turning down. S&Ps hit 39.5, just dropped 5. You short the S&Ps?
Yes, sir.
Good. Or NASDAQ. Schindler's List, very good. That was actually, I like Schindler's List, actually, but very sad at the end, though. Castaway, boring. Airplane, okay. Scent of a Woman, I'm a Outsiders, no. Postman, no. There's a delay. The Hunt for Rock. Mice of Men, very good. Can you short gold now? No, above 40.5. Dr. Zhivago, I'm not into that. Tim the Chin, I'm not getting into that. Scarface, Waterworld, no. I said Scarface. The Green Mile, no. The Green Mile, no. So I'll give you my top 10 again. Godfather 1 and 2, Rocky 3, hands down. Not Ferris Bueller. Patrick, put the wine away. Then you got Trading Places. You got Animal House, Blues Brothers, Caddyshack, Kelly's Heroes, The Great Escape, and Wall Street. Those are my favorite. Okay. A Bronx Tale, Rocky 3 and 4, no. I don't like sequels. West Side Story, no. Taxi Driver, not in my opinion. Ferris Bueller. Patrick, whatever you're on, send me a case. Dirty Dancing, no. This gold's getting cabooshed. Rain Man, Philadelphia, no way. No, sir. Escape from New York with Kurt Russell, no. Pulp Fiction, I loved it, but Sweet Home Alabama, Princess Bride, Sweet Home. Is that him?
Oh, it's me. I'm laughing at some of these.
What are you doing, my boy? Remember the time, JD, I just got him, and my daughter was sitting on the couch with his legs over her, and all of a sudden you started walking to her, and he went, Top Gun, hey, that's another good one. It's got to be my 20 to 30 list. But I don't know, we're just shooting the breeze here. Tombstone, Ant-Man, no. All right, this is a good session. Very good. Ernest goes, nope. No. I said, no, I can't take it no more. I'm tired of waking up on the floor. Don't help me, please. If anybody new here tonight wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, it starts every Monday. I stream from 8:30 to 4 on Discord. There's no delay. It's on Discord. You can please text me your full name and email to 911-450-7484. Carry on, our wayward son. That's Kansas, good song. All right, this is my list. That's it. Saving Private Ryan, I liked it. Unforgiven, I liked it. Maybe in the 30 to 40 range, but not here. The Mule, I heard that was a good movie, though, but Carlito Brigante. Of course, Carlito. Maybe I'll put that in. I don't like, yeah. Carlito Brigante. Who's short dollar yen? Who's short dollar yen? I told you dollar yen's going to explode. Jeff, where did he go? Jeff, look at his dollar yen. Look at this. Look, dollar yen just ran 17 pips. Are you crazy? I told you got a bull flag on the hourly. Get in there. These currencies, I'm telling you, capture these currencies right. I used to wait like a cobra on these this silver just got kabooshed. Silver is negative on all the time frames. On the bigger time frames, 30s and 60s. This silver, oh my God, Jennifer, just dropped 50 cents, 60 cents. So many great movies. They don't make movies like that no more. I don't even know what the hell they make anymore. One Flew Over the Cuckoo, it's a good movie. I love when the Indian guy picks up the toilet and after he kills Jack Nicholson and he throws the toilet right through the window. That's my favorite scene. Ian said oil's too high. Let's see. Where's Ian? Ian. Oh, Ian. Oh, that's not oil. What am I doing here? Where's Ian? Ian. Oh, this oil's a short, Ian. Oh, this was a long on the oil right here. Oh boy, Ian. How did Uncle Steve miss that one? He didn't have it up. So this Ian is the first pullback on the 5 positive MACD after the 60 reversed. Ian's got to go to bed soon, but Ian leaves the TV on and watches me. Something about Mary? I liked it. Jacob's Ladder? No. Jurassic Park? Are you crazy? What are you on? Mission Impossible? No. Pee-wee's Big Adventure? All right. No more. That's it. You're cut off, Jack. That's it. No way. All right. Do I ever look at round numbers? Ali, whatever you're on, send me a case. Okay? London Has Fallen, Young Guns, Braveheart, no. Star Wars, no. Ali, do I ever look at round numbers? Oy vey. What does that mean, Jeff? Round numbers. No way. Spaceballs, hysterical. You're right, Tim. Nice to meet you, Tim. You could text me. I want to hear the story. 914-500-7484. I want to hear that. The Mummy? No. All right. Ian's got to go to bed soon. The Departed. I like that one. Once I rose upon the noise and confusion, just to get an honest solution.
Getting a little bit of a move here in gold.
Oh, Nelly! You hope you're short.
Yes, sir.
Gold kabooshed! You know what's another good one? The French Connection. Remember that one? With Gene Hackman? There you go, Radical Russ. Jason Bourne? No. So you see the gold making new highs, okay? You see the gold. Where's Ian? Ian, Uncle Steve wants to teach you this. You see the gold making new highs here? Right? Look at the 30s. Look at this bear flag. First bounce. This is why the gold's been a short, Iceman. You see this? This is all in, brother. Come on. Okay? Silver. Look at silver. Look at the silver on the 30-minute. Okay? This is the bear flag. I was saying, that's what I was saying. Oh, my God, silver, Jennifer. Just dropped $1. $1 on silver. Gold. What idiot paid 42? I know, French Connection. What? The Emperor, what do you want? Oh, SK, I want to know what? Want to know what? Ali, please text me your phone, 914-500-7484. Silver blows my... Why would you be long silver when I've been telling you got bear flags? And I told you just a second ago that silver is negative on the 60, and this is the first bounce on the 30. This is a set pattern. Hello? Come in, Manila. Okay, Serpico, no. Okay? He's not, okay? I'm not doing a raffle until we do 500. I'm telling you right now. It ain't happening. Okay? And it's up to me. Good job, Shimya. So this is a strategy, guys. When the 60-minute time frame reverses to sell, okay, on silver, and it correlates with the 30-minute time frame, where is this going? Negative MACD, first bounce on the 30. This guy jumped. Jennifer, right? Get in there. Right? Do you understand that strategy? That's monstrous, JD. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
That's powerful. See the 60 here? Reverses, then you wait for the 15 and the 30 to get overbought. Right? I'm just going to go to my car for 1 second. Give me 10 seconds. Once I rose upon the noise and confusion.
I'll be right back in the user restroom.
Okay. You're flat, right? You can't have this too small for you. If it's not, I'll let you in. All right. I stand for a little while. So when you see this pattern here, on the S&P futures on the 3-minute time frame, this is why I said this was a short. I don't know if you caught it or not, but that's another different story. But here, if you see this, you see the push up here. Now remember, you see this push up here to 39, okay? That's why you have the negative MACD here. And you had the 15-minute time frames rolling over. So when the 15s are turning down and you get the push up like that, this is going to win right here, right? You see this here, everybody? The negative MACD and then the oscillator turning down like this. See that? Okay. Dollar yen hit 50. Oh my God, Jeff. I hope you're out. Jeff, I mean, you got sell divergences here, Jeff. All right. Oh, God. Hendricks is in charge, right? Any of you guys trading the SICs? Any of you guys trading SICs? Any of you? Wow, 20 pips in dollar yen? Woo! Okay, so you want to hear something? I met a guy once. I know. Okay, ran 20 pips, okay? Or 17. Very manageable, right? Anybody new wants a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email. Okay. So let me just do this here. All right. I don't know corp trades. I don't know prop like that. You're right about that. No proper trade, no proper setups. Gotcha. Just text me, please. Gotcha. 914-500-7484. Gotcha. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. 914-500-7484. $9:30 a.m. Not happening. Oh yeah. D Hall. Oh yeah. Whew. Today I shorted Broadcom, and by the time I shorted it already dropped 2. I said, cover. Like Telly Savalas and Telly's Heroes. Cover. Papa Delt. I love you to death, Papa Delt, but you come in at 10:30 after the fun's been gone. Right? Patrick. See, Jeff, on the sell divergence, Baba, it was a short up here, 6-7 pips. Jeff, the non-confirmation, right? Overbought into the negative MACD, new high, non-confirmation, 2 negative divergences. Okay, Allie, you get that? Gotcha. You gonna text me? Gotcha. Now gold. Wait till this gold. 30-minute time frame reverses down. Probably gonna happen right after 10 o'clock. And good luck. Good luck. Remember that one? Good luck. Good to see you, JD. I always think about you. I was thinking about when Hendrix wanted to eat you.
Which time?
Well, no, when I met you when you first came over, and I just got him.
I came down in the middle of
early in the morning. And no, when Allie.
No, that was somebody. I think that was somebody else.
No, my daughter.
Yeah, I think that one was somebody else.
You didn't come over when my daughter was sitting and you went, "Arr."
No.
You grabbed Uncle JD?
No, he got me in the morning on the way down the stairs.
You guys see him now. I'll show you some videos later.
With all these people, he's got to be so used to.
No, he's used to people, but in the morning, the guy with the leaf blower, he wants to eat them.
Every time.
Every time. When he'll be sleeping like this, and then the guy with the leaf blower, he'll stand up, his hair will be standing straight up, and he'll go right to that door and go, wah, 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 wah. It's unbelievable. NASDAQ, double red short. Oh my God. Well, very quiet here now.
Mm-hmm.
Jeff, look at that. 7 pips on the dollar yen. See, I would trade the dollar yen. Like on something like that, I'd probably be short like 8 million, 9 million on that trade, right? Off the 15. So what's that? 9 million. You get 6, you get yeah, Ali, you sure can. I probably on something like that, 8 to 10 million standard lots. I'll just be offering 49s, 50s, 51s, whatever. If it got to 51, I think it did though. 51s. And then the next level, I would do like another 10 to 15 million on the dollar yen, probably like at 55. Just, right? But what's that? If you sold 10 million, what is that? That's 10 million. That's what? 7 grand right there. 8 grand, 7 grand. $150 plus pips per trade. That's only 7 pips. What do you mean pips? Every point's a pip. That's how I look at it. Oh, that's how I did it. Look at this gold right back up. So a guy once said to me, Steve, can you do 100 pips in the currencies? I said, okay. 100 pips a day. No, it was make 100 pips a month. I said, a month? I said, I think I could do 100 pips in a day. He said, nobody could do 100 pips in a day. I said, I can. If you're trading 5 or 8 different things, right? They pay you on the carry? Oh, okay. Sometimes they don't pay you on the carry. Sometimes when you trade the pound dollar, they don't give your profits back. No. I never traded for a fund. AIG wanted me to trade. This goal is going to get killed. AIG wanted me to run one of their new funds back early on. I told them no. I'm not working for anybody. They told me I was crazy, by the way. I said I'm not doing that. Wow, good job. 249 pips. Wow, good job. This goal is going to get kabooshed. I think so. If you look here, let's see, I got to change this back to the S&Ps here. Oh, what happened? If you look at the gold here, I think the why does this trade station do this to me every day, really? If you look here on the 30-minute time frame on the gold, where am I? Ooh-wee. That's crude. Okay, where's gold? Look at the bear flag. This is I think these 30-minute time frames are going to do this. Boom, like that. That's what I think. All right. S&Ps just ran 4. NASDAQ. They charge you. I know. Some days they charge you the carry, Jeff. Well, the best short-term stuff to me is the dollar yen and the pound dollar. That's it. Exactly. Good job, Kuji. Good job, Rick Francis. You guys all should be texting me for a 5-day free trial. Allie, who else is the other one here? Who wanted to learn from me here? Yeah, and anybody want, I do mentorship program. If you guys ever want to come and spend the week with me, just text me 914-500-7484. Brooklyn, May, I will be there. Brooklyn, May, forget it. I'm booked May. You're looking at July now. So you can't look at May, Brooklyn. Unless you're in the book already. It's so sad. These TSA workers. But you got to take the risk though, Jeff, too, right? You got to, this goal is going to get kabooshed. No, I do not, Allie. No way. Nobody's trading for me. Now, I am in the process, potentially, come the end of the summer. The weather in Florida, it doesn't suck. It's beautiful. 84. Potentially, I'm going to have, God willing, by the end of August, a place where people can. I would like to start, but it will start after Easter because Sydney daylight off, and I won't. You live in Australia? I got a lot of people coming from Australia. Kuji, if you want, Kuji C, if you want to text me on WhatsApp, 914-500-7484. All right. I let only a couple of people trade my own money, but I was next to them. Tim Core? No. Tom, no. Tom Olongi? No. All right, Ali. Well, you got to text me. Oh, Sydney, Australia. Wow, beautiful. God bless you. Where's Schultze? Schultze, I think, is from there too. Patsy's Pizza in Brooklyn, Boca. 45 minutes, Stephen. Gold's going to get kabooshed. I'm telling you. If you want to come from Australia, you got to text me, okay? Kuji, okay? Stephen, when you come here, we're going to go. I'll take you, okay? We'll go one night, okay? We'll leave early. Hey, Barbaretto. All right, listen, 41 more people or else no raffle. We'll hold the 20 or 10 for tomorrow. EKKO? You got to come see me, EKKO. What are you, crazy? Traders Cafe, you could come visit me now, but the Traders Cafe, oh, you're in Port Lincoln, South Australia? Okay. A place I'm definitely want to visit one day in my life. I actually got invited to go to Australia in the next in May, but I can't go for 2 weeks. I can't go. Way too busy. You texted me? I don't have anything from you, Ali. Uh-oh. I think Ali just texted me. You're from Denmark? That's the place I definitely want to go visit one day. Denmark, Holland, absolutely. Michael, did we talk, Michael? Michael, if you're from Miami, you got to come visit me. What are you, bananas? I'm in Jupiter. Nice to meet you, too. Ali, good job. Oh, boy. This is it. Schultze, how'd you do tonight, Schultze? All right, these 15s are going to turn up here one more time. Positive MACDs. Okay. No, I can't travel from. How am I going to move all this to a hotel room? Are you crazy? I need more screens. I got it, Ali, I think. Steven, when you come, I'll take you to Patsy's Pizza, okay, Steven? Steven, when you know what we got to do, I'll take you to Deerfield Beach. Oh, my God, I was there this weekend. Good night, Patrick. Again, Patrick helps us immensely every single day. He posts us the market on closes at 350. Thank you. Freebird, yes, I'm streaming on my own Discord. I believe so, right? I think so, or my SK. Let's go, Steven. Oh, my God, Deerfield Beach is insane. Once I rose upon the noise and confusion. Oh, the candy man can. The candy man can. The candy man can, cause he mixes it. I need some big ass screens, bro. You know what I would do, man? If I ever gave all this up, I would just get two 60-inch monitors. I'd trade the S&Ps in gold, and that's it. Big lots, 50 to 100, a couple hundred lots each. That's how I would do it.
Amen to that.
Amen. No more trading stocks. Just go trade my S&Ps. That's it. Big 60-inch monitor. Boom. Spiders. S&P. Gold. GLD. Boom. That's it. You miss nothing. Why is it taking you nervous? S&P is right back up, ran 4. You long NASDAQ at 280. Okay, CT Mike, good job. Oh, yeah, Chris, that would be awesome, bro. Thoughts on gold, Billy Gibbs? I think that gold, based upon the 60-minute, I think gold is setting up a bear flag on the 60. That's what I think is happening. The Candyman can, cause he mixes it with love and makes the whole world go through. 29, 31. Long or short? That's bearish, my Stephen. If they raise interest rates, or if gold's going to get killed. Only way gold's going to go down is if the dollar gets killed, okay, and you have interest rate cuts. I think this gold is going to pencil down.
What makes you think that?
The 30-minute time frame. If you look at the 30-minute here, right? Look at the 30. Right here. If you look at the 30-minute, look at the yellow dots right here.
Okay.
They're nowhere near looking like they're going to revert. Like here, see the 15?
Right.
But look at the 60-minute time frame. This is what I don't like. The 60's got negative. This is a bear flag here. Ian. Good night, Ian. Oh, look at the S&P's drop 3. Good night, Ian. Can you imagine me teaching Ian? How was Ian 5? Woo. By the time he's 10, he'll be a master trader.
That's pretty cool.
What?
That somebody's letting their kid do that at that age.
That's Nick.
Oh.
Nick's been with me forever.
Cool.
Oh, freaking S&Ps. NASDAQ just dropped 15. Done the double red. I'm not doing the raffle in 6 minutes until we hit 500. So if you don't get 500, no raffle, period. Okay, so call your cousins, okay? And it's BS. There should be 5,000 people every night. Of course I look at this chat. Drift 6435, of course. Who can make the Very, very quiet. You know it's quiet when you're talking different movies out there. Dorachi, how are you, Dorachi? Oh, wow, look at this, 501. Thank you, Drifter. All right, so, Drifter, sorry, so we got the 500. We'll do the raffle. Come here, Hendrix. Come on. Come, Daddy. Come. What's the matter? You with your daddy? Where's your father? Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? Huh? Where's your father? Oh, he wants to eat my head. I know, Daddy. Ooh, Daddy loves you. I love you too. Hello, Bobo. Daddy. That's it. Daddy loves you. I love you too. Daddy loves you too. Yes, my boy. Yes, my boy. My boy. Who would ever hurt my Hendrix? I have to shoot that person. Are you crazy? Okay. All right. There should be 5,000 people. There you go. Call a bunch of moms. Short gold? No. I want to see this gold drop here on the 30s. All these 30s are about to reverse. All right. We hit 510. Your number, please. 914 500 7484. Look at this, Jennifer. There goes the gold. Look at Jennifer. Get in there, Jennifer. Oh, my God. Jennifer posting 3 big ones. Get in there. Jennifer, you got to leave that crazy state and move to Florida. Enough is enough. All right. Can you imagine Jennifer here? There it is. We were short gold higher, and I told you the reasons why. Okay? Nick, good night, brother. All right. Jennifer, you ready? We're going to do the raffle tonight. And again, anybody who's here, who's new, I stream every day from 8:30 to 4. If you want a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name, email to 914-500-7484. Okay. Also, tomorrow from 10:30 to 11:30, I will be hosting the MyFundedFutures TV show. Okay. Every Thursday. And also, thank you, Tim, or Time. I can't see. Also, I'll see you guys tomorrow night, all right, from 8 to 10, all right, Monday through Thursday. Also, I have a YouTube, I have a podcast on my SK Trading YouTube called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. You guys should watch that. It's about 10 to 12, 13 minutes. It really is informative, and it really goes over a lot of my methodology, okay? NASDAQ still long, not me. I don't believe that they're currently tied, S&P, gold, and NASDAQ. I mean, if oil drops, yes, bye-bye gold. Gold, whoever bought 41s, he jumped right here. He jumped down 20. All right. Are you guys, everybody, good luck tonight. Thank you for the 500 because I'm not doing it. There's a rule, 500 or more. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. Let's go, Jennifer. Jennifer's ready. And we're off at Belmont. Okay, let's do this, Jennifer. What do we got, Jennifer? First one of the night is JC Trades 25. Congratulations. This is here. JC Trades. How do you enter Rocky Trades? You got to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube and sign in before 9 o'clock and create an account. Jennifer, is he here? It looks like he's here. Congratulations, JC Trades. Is he here, Jennifer? No? Jennifer's mouse got stuck. I don't know. Jennifer? 30 degrees where? In Washington? You got to be kidding me. JC, hey, not yet. Okay, Jenna, okay. We'll give him a couple minutes here, a couple seconds. You hear JC trades? Nicholas, I think the 30 minutes are going to roll over. Silver and gold. Going once. Going twice. Jennifer, next! Nermin Turdudia. Nermin, Nermin, Turudija 3456. Please tell me he's here. I can't say it again. Is he here, Jennifer? Look at this gold right back up 6. Nermin. Oh my God, we're 0 for 2 here tonight. How could you guys sign up and, you know what? I got to move this along. Going once, going twice. Next. I'm not obsessed with Jennifer's name. She's part of the team, my community. Nihuja. Dario. Dash. What is this? WLD. Dario, WLD. She's someone, part of my community who helps out. And she's a great trader. And she's a great friend. Okay? Dario, WLD. Look at this gold. Where is this going? Is he here, Jennifer? Anybody here yet? Dario, congratulations. All right, next one here. Oh my God, this gold. Notar 949. Notar 949. Notar. Is Notar here? All right, Pedro, you got to step up to the plate and start passing the evals. Let's go. Notar. I know. She's killing it. I love it. God bless her. He's not here. You're lying. What? Come on, Leonard Hour. Really? Next! Oh, my God. This gold's short, up at 30 again. Beaverich. That gold was a good short. It's a negative MACD. Beaverich. Beaverich. Jennifer, we got one so far tonight. This is crazy. I'm exhausted. Okay, that's 2. Congratulations. Next. Notar showed up. All right, we'll give it to him. That's 3. Okay. Mark Patterson in the house. 1171. Mark Patterson. What's up, brother? Please tell me you're here, Mark Patterson. Okay. Just like Mikey Jacques a couple weeks ago won and he didn't step up to the plate. That's 4. Good job, Mark. That's 4, Jennifer. All right. Nope, nothing there. Gold just dropped 4. S&Ps and NASDAQ flatlined. I didn't see it, Notar. Victor Hernandez, Mode 2 EG. What the hell is that? You can't just leave it as Victor Hernandez. You got to add this MO2EG. Really? I don't get it. Okay. Victor Hernandez. Victor, you got to change that. Just leave it Victor Hernandez. Now batting. Left fielder. Number 36. Victor Hernandez. See? Not MO2EG. Well, I don't think he's here anyway. Right? JC Trades, you won already. Next! Not here. I can't believe these people. Luciano Trader. Baba, 71 Telecaster. You know what I think about trading single lot entries, right? The WeWap. Come on. Luciano Trader. JC Trade showed up. How many is that now, Jennifer? Is that 5? I'll give it to JC. He's always here. He's always here. Luciano Trader. All right, you're here. I got you, JC. Okay. Luciano Trader, are you here? I'd short this gold again, 31 up to 39. Jennifer, is it Luciano Trader? Not here. Next! That's 5. Yes, Drasden, please text me. Yes, you can. Yes, I have people from all over the world. Mr. Yazin, 75. Dresden, please text me 914-500-7484, 97484. I will call you after this. Mr. Yazin, yes, Mr. Yazin. Jennifer, that's 5.
Steven, who was number 5?
Sir. What?
Who was number 5?
JC Trades.
Okay. All right, so we need we're about to be at 10 o'clock. It's about time to hurry up. So
let's go.
We'll say this at 10:02 if the rest of the
people, at 10 o'clock I'll pick 5 people.
Okay. If we don't have
all right
people. All right.
All right. We got 2 minutes and then I'll pick people. Okay. All right. All right. Next. We got 5. If at 10 o'clock, I'm picking 5 people or whoever. NQVWAP. NQVWAP. We're going to make this fast. NQVWAP. NQVWAP. Jennifer, anybody? NQVWAP. We got 1 minute. NQVWAP. Is he here? NQVWAP. He's here. I see him. That's next. Sam WM 9716. Sam WM 9716. Sam WM 9716. Is that he's here? All right, 10 o'clock. I'm picking him now. Next. Okay, I'm going to pick. Ready? Is he here? All right, I'm going to pick. All right, so let me see here. Let's see.
You get 4, Steven. You get 4. We got 6 people. You get 4.
I got 4. All right. We're going to pick, let's see here. I'm going to pick, who's this guy here? Where is his name? Fabin Macara 1476. Are you no? Are you part of MyFundedFutures? I don't think you are. You got to be on the MyFundedFutures. All right. Mathematica, I'm going to pick. There's one. All right. Mathematica. Dude Monkey, I'm going to pick. Okay. Tyler Trade 4 days. That's 4. And WeWap. That's 4. Okay. How's that, Denny? All right. How's that? 4.
Hey, that sounds good to me, Steven.
All right. I want to say thank you to Denny. Thank you to Jennifer. Thank you to MyFundedFutures. And thank you, of course, to Aaron. Thank you to all of you. Please come see me again tomorrow night. Okay. All right. And I want to say thank you. God bless you. Have a great day tomorrow. Remember, I'll be tomorrow, MyFundedFutures from 10:30 to 11:30. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wit got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.